Hey guys, how's it going? Fucked Fingers here. I got this package in the mail. It is from OBSIUS.FB. It is a new truck line. I've never seen them before, but I went ahead and ordered 2 sets. They come in these little metal tins. I'm going to be doing a review on these. I'll shred them for a while and let you know what I think, of course. So first off, what I noticed, when you get these, the whole axle is painted all the way through the threads. I don't know if you can see that there, but I'm going to clean that up before I strap them on. So that's the only thing that I've seen as a downside right out of the box. But they come in these cool little tins. They come with it looks like a tech deck tool, and then you get your hardware, and then you get an extra set of bushings. Black came with these ones here, and then this set of black on black trucks with blue bushings, they came with an optional or second set of red bushings, so that's cool. I'm gonna set all this up with a fresh lit deck, my sponsor board, Alien Graphic, and these Sawdude Spitfires, which I absolutely love. I haven't ridden these yet, but I am currently riding a pair of Sawdude Bones, and they're great, so I can't wait to try these out, along with the new trucks and my sponsor board, which I'm so accustomed to the shape, I don't ride anything else ever. Alrighty, hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll get this board set up and start shredding it. Board's all set up, ready to shred. Let's get it. So unfortunately this happened, as others said it would. I use this board indoor as well as outdoor a little bit, and my axle has snapped off of my OBSIUS.FB trucks. Contacted OBSIUS and they said that they're sending out replacements to everybody. I don't know how long that'll take, being that there's probably hundreds, if not more, needing to be replaced. But overall, these trucks perform pretty well. The durability's not quite there. The first thing to go were the bushings, so I replaced them with some level ups. All in all, I like the trucks. I'm impressed with their performance, their turn radius. They feel like dynamics. I ended up taking the little bushing out of here and replaced it with just the little tube pivot cup, and it works great. The other one blew out quite fast. So I am waiting for them to send out 2 more sets, as I ordered 2 sets. I still have the other pair unopened. Maybe I'll just throw those up on the wall, or maybe I'll use them till they break. But I would wait to order these until their 2nd generation come out and they fix the issue. The axle here is not steel, it is an alloy composite, I can see from the brake. And put this back in the fingerboarding body bag and get her put back together later. Happy fingerboarding, guys.